Good afternoon, ABR Market Watch viewers. Let's dive into today's market updates where we see India's equity benchmarks experiencing a slight dip due to concerns over increased H-1B visa fees affecting IT firms, causing the Nifty 50 and Sensex to fall by 0.4%. Despite this, the auto index surged 0.8%, hitting a record high, driven by strong dealership footfall during local festivals like Navratri and the implementation of GST cuts. The IT sector took a hit in the past two sessions, with the index dropping by 3.5%. Leading losses were Mphasis and Coforge, while TCS, Infosys, and Wipro remained relatively flat. Concerns over visa fee hikes are putting pressure on Indian IT firms that benefit significantly from US work visa programs. Meanwhile, the overall market sentiment remains cautious as investors await government borrowing calendars and adjust to the US visa fee hike impact. The Indian rupee reached an all-time low against the US dollar due to this visa fee increase, adding to the pressure on both currency and equities. In a low-growth phase of the market, CLSA advises investors to focus on a blend of sustainable growth stocks and value picks. Among lenders, Bajaj Finance and State Bank of India are top choices, with predictions for BJFN to demonstrate mid-20% loan growth in FY25 coupled with improving margins and lower credit costs. SBI is also deemed truly valuable due to consistent outperformance against peers, attractive valuations, sustainable loan growth, and improving asset quality. As we look ahead, it's crucial for investors to stay informed about the impact of visa fee hikes on IT firms and how it could potentially affect remittance growth and service exports to the US. Simultaneously, we should closely monitor the performance of auto stocks given the promising consumer activity during festivals and GST cuts. That's all for today's market story. Stay connected with ABR Market Watch as we bring you the latest updates on these trends and more. Remember to invest wisely.